If you only read the headlines in the media, you would think the sky is falling on the real estate market. But wait, these two are my favorite. Oh no! Wait, what? Same newspaper, same day. One says prices are going up, one says prices are going down. What are you going to believe? Stay tuned and I'll break it down for you. Welcome back to Real Estate on the Lam, bringing you the latest market information, some predictions, and a few other nuggets along the way. Hi, I'm Lambros from Royal LePage, and 2023 picked up right where 2022 left off, with the housing market stats relatively unchanged from December to January. But before we dive in deeper, please take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button below. Okay, let's go. If we look at year-over-year stats, then yes, sales volume is down markedly. But remember what we are comparing to: the best year on record and the second best January on record. This is what was happening 1 year ago. Demand was actually higher than supply, and home buyers were literally fighting over each other to get into the market, offering their firstborn. So now that the market has come back down to earth, the media is making it out to be a disaster, as if last year's market was normal. So I ask you, which one of those is a normal market? Which market would you rather have? I guess your answer depends if you're buying or selling. To put things even more into perspective, here is the sales volume for the last 10 Januaries. The media love to point out that we are down 45% from last year, but that was an abnormal year. Interest rates were next to nothing, so everybody and their dog was jumping into the market, but more on that later. Right now, take a look at how last month's sales volume compares to the previous 10 years. If we take out the two crazy pandemic/dirt cheap interest rate years, the average number of home sales in January is about 4,400. So we are down about 29% from a typical January, not 45. But don't get me wrong, 29 is still a large number, but keep in mind the psychology of buying a home. When prices go down, many people will wait to see how low they will go before they jump in and buy. It's like the stock market. Also, people are qualifying for less by the time the market adjusts, and by market, I mean sellers. By the time sellers adjust to the new price points, there will be a period of low transactions. So, will prices continue down? Maybe, but I think it will be a slow drop. Nothing dramatic like we saw last year, and I say that for several reasons. One, interest rates should stabilize and people will now adjust to the new rates. B, the market spiked too high and too quickly in the last 2 years, but has now already corrected itself and is back on track. Most markets are effectively at the same price point they were 2 years ago. 3, we are still in a seller's market. Yes, you heard that right. We are at about 3 months of inventory, so that means demand is still high compared to supply. And 4, some people will be forced to sell their homes, but to be frank, maybe those people had no business getting to the market in the first place, be it by overextending themselves or maybe borrowing from family or even resorting to fraud just to buy a house. Those are the ones who are struggling the most right now, who can't keep up with the interest rates, can't keep up with their mortgage payments, but thankfully they are in the minority, not the majority. The majority either have fixed rates or have the resources to keep up with the rising rates. That is why I do not foresee a crash. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious about your neighborhood's market activity, please do not hesitate to contact me. I would love to hear from you and happy to show you the local stats and answer your questions. You may call, text, email, or you can post a comment in the section below. In the meantime, please like and share this video. And again, if you're watching on YouTube, please click that subscribe button or follow me on social media with my new rebranded and refreshed handle, HeartAndSoldGTA. Have a fantastic day and stay safe.